IIAD has youths, it's a young institution. It has incredible talent as teachers. It's drawing some of the best kids from all across India. And it has Delhi as its location. I think it's fantastic. I'm Suvir Saran, chef, public speaker, and Indian Express columnist. The graduate show at IIAD was spectacular. From COVID resulting artwork to street life to incredible interior decorations and fashion. Everything was mind-blowingly beautiful, layered, textured, and talked about a university that's going to change the planet through incredible art. I'm very excited to be here. The garments created by the students had incredible detail, incredible colors, a visual appeal that was staggeringly beautiful. While they're young, some of the techniques will get only better as they mature and come of age. I can't wait to wear what they create. The teaching pedagogy at IIAD has to be very free. The kids are stretching the boundaries of imagination, of creativity, of inclusion, diversity. Teachers here are incredibly talented, gifted, and most of all very mature about giving students freedom. IIAD has youths, it's a young institution. It has incredible talent as teachers. It's drawing some of the best kids from all across India. And it has Delhi as its location. I'm a big fan. For the young students, designers graduating, keep being you. You're fabulous, you are our tomorrow. If you think big and better than us, if you think in a bigger inclusive manner, if you think smartly and for the planet in a sustainable way, we're all going to be your biggest fans. Keep dreaming and take us with you.